All right, I know it's kind of dark, but what's going on? Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well. So, your boy's about to do this tournament, and this is on my home waters of Alum Creek. So I'm honestly hoping to do some good. I got my kayak down here. I'm really hoping I can do some good. I got a different tactic that honestly looks really good in the water. So I'll explain it later on. Freaking sweet. I don't know, I'm hoping I can win this. I had some practice time last week and I ain't getting nothing. So, you know, maybe today will be different. But without further ado, stick tuned for the video. Let's catch some fish, baby. All right, we are officially in the water, baby. All right, let's get this show on the road. What else is in my pocket? Oh, I just saw something big splash out there. It's gonna be real difficult with the wind going, because the wind's already been going already this morning. On top of that, I could be getting blown over by all kinds of stuff today. I'm gonna have to be riding against all kinds of stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start and open with this. This is called the donkey rig, guys. And I've kept an eye on this for a minute, but like now I'm actually gonna try to use it. Part of me is hoping I can deal some damage if I can. So the way this thing works is freaking sweet. Come on, stop hooking up with each other. Say Kansas. So the way this rig works, there's two little flukes on here, okay? Two flukes, and they're gonna be like paired up in tandem behind each other, and the way the motion will happen, it'll be going like, or kind of like all over. Oh, whoops, almost dropped the rod in the water. All kinds all over the place, right? So that's the general idea. So I'm hoping to do some damage with that today. No, I need to get by those boat docks, honestly. It's like this wind just keeps turning me around. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting turned around. There's like nothing I can basically do about it. Got one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's a smallmouth. Regardless, it's nice. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Let's go, baby. Sorry if the camera angle was bad. Buddy, let's go. Coming in clutch, baby. Alright guys, look at him. Look at him. I can't open his mouth past a certain point. I wonder if he's a spotted, but I'm about to run into some cover, but I want to get a good release on him real quick. But yeah. Nice. Donkey rig, got him, baby. Donkey rig, baby. I'm on my board, baby. Let's go. Alrighty guys, that was on the donkey rig. That's freaking epic. I was hoping I was gonna get one on that. So that's shallow water bass right now, because it's very shallow water, I realize. But they like the donkey rig, so that's nice to know. So I'm gonna keep on it. I'm in 7th right now. I'm in 7th. But it's only because I got that one fish. So right now there's somebody who's in 1st with 51 inches. So we'll see what we can do. But hey, let's get on. I still don't like that wind. That wind's kind of giving me bad vibes. God damn, I thought I had one. snags. Got one. Oh, don't get me hooked. Please don't get me hooked. Oh, you're lively. You're so lively. Hold on. Oh, stay there. Got me stabbed. He's free. He's free. He's free. He's free. He's free. Thank you. Okay. Hello, boys. We got another one. Alright, let's go ahead and get this guy on here. Go ahead and wet that with a little bit of water. Lively as hell. Okay. Alright. Today might be the day, boys. Today might be the limit. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so we are still in 7th place. We're holding our place at least. We're still in 7th, but that's my second fish. So I'm not doing too bad. I'm just happy I caught 2 fish at least. Shoot, maybe we can keep this train going. Thank you, Donkey Rig, for real, man. Oh, alright. Shoot, I'm hoping I can keep on them, so we'll see what happens. Bless you. Alrighty guys, well I gotta go in. I tried different tactics, tried different things, switched up baits. That also makes it difficult when being out in the main open water when there's lots of boats, so it's kind of an issue trying to get out towards the center. But you know, it's all good. I tried, like I said, I tried. Hey, we caught 2, tried a new technique, which was freaking epic. Tried a new technique, and both of those fish were on the Donkey Rig. I'll try to like show you guys a little bit closer up on that, but it's pretty sweet. I like the action of it. I can see why we get the job done. But I'm gonna go ahead and head in and make my way towards the payouts. Alrighty guys, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I tried my best. The tournament ended like sometime around like, it ended at 2, and I forgot to look at my place last second, but I know the last time I looked at it was at 10th, but I'm pretty sure people caught more fish after me, so I don't know. I held 7th for a little bit, but that was cool. Hey, that Donkey Rig was fire. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I set up the Donkey Rig, and hopefully you guys can use this for yourselves. Like I said, I don't know if there's any particular different ways that you can set this up or different things you can add to it, so I'll show you how I did it and hopefully it'll help you guys. Okay, so this is a fluke. Okay, so this is a fluke. I don't know what type of hook I have on this specifically, but this is what it looks like. So I have a barrel swivel right here, okay, and I have a like a little leader attached to this, and then the fluke, right? So it'll be set up that way. So I have 2 of these, right? I have 2 of them set up this way. One is longer than the other. Like, I remember, I think it was like you make one about 14 inches and the other one like 10, but I don't know if you can see, but they're about the same, like, or they're like a little bit longer. Sorry about the wind as well, guys. I just want to do this outside. So you're going to take your main line. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you're going to take your main line, okay? And you're going to slide one of these barrel swivels, or slide it up the barrel swivel, right? So you're going to put that through, slide it up, and you're just gonna leave it on the line, kind of like that, right? And then you're gonna tie this to your main line. I normally use the Palomar knot. Okay, and with that, you're gonna be able to have it sliding up and down like so. All right, so I believe you're gonna want to have the shorter one tied to the main line, and then the longer one be able to slide up and down the line. So what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to slide this up and down the line. And like I said, as you like let it, you cast it out and you sink it, as you cast out and sink it, you'll like twitch it. Like twitch it once, give it a little like 2 to 3 seconds. Twitch it again. You can twitch it a little bit more if you'd like, but basically it'll just create this erratic motion of just going all over the place, and it'll mimic like 2 bait fish going on. But that is the donkey rig, and that is what I used in the tournament. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration. Like I said, that was the donkey rig that I used in the tournament. It was really cool to like catch my first couple of fish in that tournament and on the donkey rig. So that was honestly pretty sweet. I really enjoyed it. I like the way I like the motion of it. If the video was a little bit confusing or hard to understand for the demonstration, I'll set a link in the description. That way you can go ahead and look at what I looked at. That way you can do the donkey rig yourself. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just follow me on Instagram, and let me know what you think. Look forward to more content in the future. And as always, stay safe, tight lines. I'll catch you on the next one.